How to send pictures on TikTok messages. Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can send pictures on TikTok messages. So without any delay, let's start with the video. But before beginning, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. First of all, you just need to download the updated version of TikTok because that feature is only available on the updated version of TikTok. If you haven't updated your app, you may just go to Play Store and go download the updated version of TikTok. After you are done downloading, just log in into your account and you should be able to see your home screen. So after that, you just need to head over to the inbox section at the bottom. You should be able to see inbox option very easily at the right side of the screen of your phone. After that, you should be able to see your friends here. So what you're going to do is simply tap on that friend's profile where you are chatting with each other. And here, just tap on this album section. Or you may just click a picture at live at the moment. Otherwise, you may just select a picture that you already have on your gallery. I'm just going to select a picture that I already do. So I'm just going to go to gallery. After that, select a picture and tap on send. And you can see when I tap on it, the picture is available to me as well to that person. So that's how you basically send pictures to someone on TikTok. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.